Hello and welcome back. Susan Zumo here, intuitive and originator of soul patterning harmonics. This week, the Galactics spoke about will, specifically free will from a higher octave. They said, if you have ever tried to remove something from the grip of an infant, you know the will of pure desire is a powerful force. Will weakens over time as you learn to dampen your desires by transferring your will to authority figures in your life. First to parents, and later to peer groups, teachers, religious leaders, and those you perceive to be in control. They all appear to have greater power and stronger will to see their desires accomplished, without regard to your dreams or desires. And so, a weakness of will sets in, and will is viewed as something that will only lead to troubles, especially if humanity is allowed to wield it. Nothing could be further from the truth. Your will is one of the strongest forces in the universe, and the reason why those in negativity and darkness want it so desperately. They know that with your will, meaning passive permission, they can cause events to occur, resulting in greater power, wealth, and control for themselves. Religious texts are littered with references to the destruction that follows from willful choices. There are daily reminders in the news that a small but willful group of individuals can create disasters for the greater society. We wish to remind you that your will is not only an instrument of destruction, but the means to ascension for you and the planet into higher frequencies. It is your will that directs your attention from the negative, fearful images and reports clamoring for your energy. Your will activates the choice to move into a space of love and beauty, holding the knowledge of a fantastic life ahead. Your will commands you not to succumb to helplessness and apathy, but propels you to desire and affirm a healthy, thriving, light-filled existence for all. The will, once exerted in the direction of positivity, cancels and counterbalances the frequency of negativity and fear. Remember, your good will is always more powerful than any negativity or fear. We ask you not to abandon your will or surrender it to anyone. We ask you to claim it as your own magnificent strength to be wielded by your desire for peace and joy. Be willful and refuse to give in to despair and violence. Be willful and live a life filled with love and happiness, knowing that your will is stronger and more powerful than any small group clinging to control. Your numbers are vast, and every single individual is vital in shifting this world through the process of ascension. Together, you will, willfully, usher in a new earth and be glad you did. Because there is goodness in your loving heart and the light in your eyes, we say, go forth and be willful. Choose love, choose light, choose joy, and watch as the world changes before your very eyes. Well, there you have it. Permission to be willful in a positive and loving way, something we can all do. I hope you have a wonderful week. If you find these messages beneficial, I ask you to please share them with others so that they can benefit. And until next time, I wish you many, many blessings.